and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together.
Sophia.
Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together.
Oh, she wants us a spray bottle.
No, I know, but the trick is that I get to build it without her knocking it down. Look, Sophia.
You have to talk to Sergey about that.
Do they play the same game?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ah, you can't knock it down. You can't. You can try. Should she?